I have a two perspective over this. The first is, as I said, 85% of the students are not getting the solution. So there are three major reasons I have discovered. One is there is a lack of awareness. As I mentioned, that there's a still stigma and taboo in a society, so people are not willing to talk about. They don't know what is happening with their brain. Second, the lack of technology-driven solution. It's a major missing part. And the third is, I believe that the awareness in terms of uh, what I can say is, for an example, there is the taboo and awareness in terms of, for an example, you are going for an exam, so you will feel bit tension. It's easy. If you got breakup, you will feel bit depressed, and it's okay. But that doesn't mean you will stay in that stage forever. No, it's just a phase, right? I had a phase with 3 years. You Somebody is like 3 months, somebody is like for 3 seconds, somebody is for 3 minutes, or anything 3 hours. Or so this is the stigma that if you got fever, it's easy. You tell your friends, you tell your mom that I got fever. We easily get the medicines. हम लोग जाके अगर ज़्यादा है तो डॉक्टर को दिखाएंगे. We don't feel shy about these things. But when it comes to mental health, so I always think the way we are not having the stigma taboo about physical health, same way we want to break that stigma that mental health matters. You can talk about it, you can have a cure about it, but the problem is cure is not easily available. And people think that having a breakup, or having a low marks in exam, or not able to crack the competitive exams, or having a lot of pressure in a corporate life, that means you don't need the psychiatrist. So people are not willing to go for psychologists, psychiatrists, counselors, or many more people around them. They think that this is not the prime thing. But हम लोग ये नहीं सोच रहे कि जब से बॉर्न हुए हैं तब से एक ही चीज़ से हमारा सारा एकेडमिक निकला है, सब कुछ जो अभी लाइफ में चल रहा है वो सब चीज़ एक ही चीज़ कंट्रोल कर रहा है, विच इज़ आवर ब्रेन. बट वी आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ आवर बॉडी in a such a way that we dressed well, we taken care of our, like, going for gym, walking, anything we do for our well-being in terms of physical. But what about the brain? So we are not taking care of our brain as serious as it is. So yeah, so that's the problem I've discovered. And there are a lot of applications are available in a market, but not much using the EEG technology. As I said, meditation is the like very prime thing. People are saying कि अरे you feel this, आप meditation start करो, आप yoga start करो. But the problem is, Harshit, that there are thousands form of meditation, thousands type of meditation. What works for you may not works for me, right? And we are very fortunate to have this legacy, like the history we have, right? So I believe that having those things, our students and uh, people have this stigma also that meditation is for the old age people or people who want peace.
Yeah.
But it's not. There is a problem with the English word, because in meditation, if I define in a Hindi, then there are multiple types like dhyan, dharana, samadhi, japa, tapa, and many more things. As I said, what works for you may not works for me. And sitting with 5 minutes, eyes closed, it's next to impossible thing for this Gen Z generation, right? So we develop certain activities, certain tracks, which is like you can't get this meditation done by yourself, but with this music, with these things, you can listen just music and you automatically derive to the meditation stage. And it's not for peace, for sure, because this generation what evolved, this generation want everything in a fast pace. They want to test that success very early. So this is for them to improve their cognitive skills, improve their soft skills, and improve their mental health in a balanced way. So yeah, so we are working on a different solution which is working for the young corporate people and the young generation of our India.